it's James here from the Sprinkle Donut Forge in Moscow, Texas. And I don't know if you're subscribed to Island Metal Forge, but Yamez over there has kind of put a thing into motion where we're all saying, what does blacksmithing mean to me? Well, I'm going to do some of that while I tell you what it means to me. To me, blacksmithing, pure joy. Can you name a lot of things in life that you do because they're not fun? You may say, work. Unless, of course, you love your job. That's different. What are you working for? You're working for a goal. You're working for cash. You're working to earn your bread. So at some point, somebody can have a little relaxation and have a little fun with life. So it's pretty hard to find anything that you can't trace back to pure, unadulterated joy. And blacksmithing, for me, is joy. And I really, really love doing it. I like learning more about it. I like teaching what tidbits of information that I know about it to others. And I found a good family and a good group of people in the blacksmithing community. I'm very proud to be amongst them. I'm very proud to contribute to this craft. And I'm glad to see that it's not going to die with just a few old blacksmiths. A lot of those old guys are more than willing to show you the ropes if you're willing to learn. We do what we can. What if you're not a blacksmith? What does blacksmithing mean to you? Do you find a magic in it? An allure in it? How has blacksmithing, or knowing about blacksmithing, affected your life? Please share that. And I encourage you to check out Island Metal Forge and see what he has to say about it, because Yamez is a very true and real person. He's got a good heart. He's a great human being, very entertaining to watch. And if you check out some of his live streams, you'll run into a lot of other blacksmiths that comment, and I encourage you to check out their channels. One I want to mention in particular is County Line Forge. James Davis over there, Ting Ting at County Line Forge, is doing some interesting things with the sword right now, and I'm not going to give you all the particulars on that, but you should get in on that deal while there's time left, and check out what he's doing with that. And I'll share the link to Island Metal Forge, Yamez, in the comment section, and I'll share the link to County Line Forge. And I highly encourage you to check out both of these individuals, especially on their live stream, because that'll lead you to even more people in our tight-knit little blacksmithing community that you can check out and enjoy. I guess you're wondering what I'm doing. Made a bunch of door handles, and I would cry like a baby if somebody were to put a brand new Phillips head screw in my pretty hand-forged door handles. So, making some nails. therapeutic. No matter what kind of problems you have during your day, you come home. If you got a day job like me as a tile setter, that's what I do. I'm a tile setter. You come home and you strike your fire, put some steel in it, and do some amazing things. Nobody's more amazed at it than the blacksmith himself. So, you know, I don't want to just chime in and copy everyone else's statement and say blacksmithing is family, which it is. It really is. If you know other blacksmiths, it's joy. It's happiness. It's being creative. If you have that creative impulse where you have to create something, you have to make something. It's very spiritually rewarding. Pretty good exercise if you want one big arm and one little arm like me. Trust me, it'll give you Popeye arms, unless you're ambidextrous. And more power to you. Have somebody hold the steel and just get after it with both hands. I want to see that too, by the way. If any of you are doing this, share a link in the comments where I can see you using both hands. A hammer in each hand, just like Thor. He only had one hammer though. Anyway, little nail header here. Kind of break that little dude off. Nice big thick-headed tack. No, seriously, I want to know, what does blacksmithing mean to you? Is it all about kinship with other people? Or is it love of the thing itself? Perhaps, like in my case, a lot of both. Anyway, I think I nailed it. Till next time, bye.